Hi guys, I look really rough right now because I just woke up. Do I have pink eye or is it allergies? We don't know. But hi, it's Kate. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a lemon bar recipe that I did like a month ago, and I filmed it but never actually got around to making a video out of it. So here we are. Alright, first we're going to set the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and then spray a 9 by 13 inch pan with cooking spray so that the lemon bars don't stick to the pan whenever they're baked. Then I'm going to take a metal bowl and some flour. This says self-rising because that's all we could get at the grocery store because of Corona apocalypse. And then 2 cups of flour, half of a cup of sugar, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and then you're going to have a cup of salted butter, which is equivalent to 2 sticks, and you want to cut that into small cubes so that it'll soften easier and it'll mix into your whole crust dough easier, I guess, because this is all towards making the crust for the lemon bars. Then mix the flour, sugar, and salt together, and then you add the butter, and I'll come back to that. I'm going to let it soften. Next, we're going to zest and juice 4 large lemons. So what I did is I tried to juice it first, and then I really struggled with the zesting. That was a bad idea. So by the process of trial and error, I learned that it's a lot easier to zest first and then juice them after. Make sure you pour the juice through the strain because look at all those seeds. Then once the butter is softened, you're going to come back and mix that crust up and pour it into the pan that you put the cooking spray onto. And then you're going to bake that for 20 minutes or until it's golden around the edges. Then I'm going to work on mixing up the filling. You add 1.5 cups of sugar, a quarter cup of flour, 4 whole large eggs, and then you're going to add the zest and the juice that you already made from your 4 lemons. And then once the crust is done baking, you can pour all of that filling into it. And then you bake that for 20 minutes. Once that's all done, you put that in the fridge for about 2 hours or until it's chilled, and then enjoy. You're done. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed. Lemon bars are very good with 10 out of 10 recommend. I don't know what's going on with my hair. Please give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Check out my other videos because you might like those too. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Turn on my post notifications, and I'll see you this Wednesday with another post. Bye.